Good morning, friends. We are going to be making some bird nests today. First we need some air dry clay, and then we are going to collect items from nature to make our bird's nest today. So with only two things we have to get, this is going to be easy to do at home. I'll have a link to the supplies after this video so you guys can check it out. So to start with, we are going to get a handful of clay. And we are going to practice rolling it up. The older kids will be really good at this. The younger kids will love the motion of their hands going round and round. You guys can do it with two hands, or you can do it with one and the table. Some nice round gestures. The more you roll, the rounder it's going to be. Once you have your ball, you're going to give you a thumbs up. You're going to use this thumb to find the middle of your ball, and you're going to poke your finger halfway through. Try not to poke it all the way through, just halfway through, okay? Once you get your hole, you're going to use your lobster claws. Put that thumb back in, and you're going to pinch around in a circle. As you pinch around in a circle, the hole is going to open up, and you are going to have your own little bird nest shape. So once you get this shape, you guys are going to add your pieces of nature. So if you collected sticks, you guys can work together to break them up into littler or smaller pieces. And you guys can break them down to little pieces. There you go. If you have leaves, you can pull them apart, kind of deconstruct your nature. But breaking sticks is really fun, and it's also good for their hands. It'll make them stronger. Once you have your pieces, you're just going to let them do their thing. So they're going to poke them into the clay, just like this. Every child will have their own style of doing it. So it'll be really exciting to see what they come up with. I'm just going to put these around the edges. Or you can bend them around the sides. Oops. What else do I have? I have these beautiful little purple flowers. I'm going to poke these in the sides too, adding to my bird's nest. Put them around. Maybe put a little yellow flower in here too. Alright. Once you get your bird's nest how you want it, you can reach in for more clay, and you can start ripping them up into little pieces. With these smaller pieces, you can make your little eggs to go inside. So you can practice rolling them up. You can make them smaller even. And roll them up You can put them inside. You can really do as many as you want. This is good repetition. Rolling them up. And there you got your bird's nest. Ta-da!